Hello, my beautiful bee friends. I hope everybody is doing well. Today, we are going to turn these Hive Hugger kits into completed Hive Hugger wrapped beehives. So let's get to it. Okay, so as you can see right here, these are the hives that we're using for our hive monitoring project. So we have a standard double deep Langstroth hive. We've got a double 5-frame nuke. So we have 10 frames inside of this nuke. And then we've got a double deep 8-frame Langstroth hive. All three of these are going to be Hive Hugger wrapped, and we're going to be using them as part of our hive monitoring project. Now, if you're not familiar with this project at all, I'll put links in the description to those videos so you can kind of track that project as it goes. But there are 2 episodes from the podcast, episodes 175 and 176, with Peg DeSanto from Hive Hugger, and we talked to her about the Condensing Hive, and that's what we're going to be talking about today. This first kit is designed for a double deep 10-frame Langstroth hive. And the next one is the exact same thing, but this is set up for an 8-frame Langstroth hive. Now, this last kit is a custom-made double 5-frame nuke Hive Hugger setup. So that was custom made by Hive Hugger. I provided them with all the dimensions, and about a week later it showed up. So that was pretty awesome. The first thing we're going to do is start from the top by placing the included foil wrapped bubble insulation that comes with the kit. That's going to go over the hole that is commonly found in the middle of wooden inner covers. So we place that there first, and then on top of that is the crown. The crown is the 0.8-inch panel that is providing the equivalent of 8 inches of standard foam board to get you to that R32 rating. So as we know, 75% of your heat loss is going to come from the top of the hive, so this is the most important component. And again, for more information on that, check out the links in the description. But the pieces on the sides and the front, this all hooks together like a puzzle, and it's a lot easier than a regular puzzle. You just clamp everything together, wrap the strap around, pull the strap tight. Very straightforward. So kind of as a recap, you have inner cover, the insulating piece that goes on top of the hole in the inner cover, crown board on top, wrap all of that around with Tyvek, and it's a Tyvek tape that comes with the kit, so you don't have to go buy your own. They then recommend that you reduce your entrance down to like the 3.5 to 4 inch entrance that's standard on an entrance reducer. If you're making your own, just right around that 3 to 4 inch range is what they recommend. Put your mouse guards on if you're using them. And then they say to put the back and the sides on first. That way you're not in front of the hive. You're causing, minimal disruption to the bees if they're still active. And then put the front on, strap everything together, and then you'll secure your outer cover, your telescoping outer cover or migratory outer cover, whatever you're using. You'll just secure that as you normally would. So I hope you found this to be useful, valuable. If you need more information, if you want me to actually do a full walkthrough of the condensing hive and explain it, I'm happy to do so. I feel like a lot of people have done a great job already, but again, more than happy to do so. If you want, just let me know. If you're using this already, let us know in the comments how you like it. I've heard a lot of people talking about how they like to use it year round. It keeps things cooler in the summer and definitely makes a big impact in the winter, reduces the amount of honey required of your colonies to overwinter. Lots of good things going on. So take care, be kind to one another, and I will see you in the next one.